Hey everyone, it's Coach Classy Sassy here. Today, we're diving into 12 tips to eat mindfully and chew slowly. Mindful eating is not just some trendy diet fad, it's about transforming your relationship with food and savoring every delicious bite. So grab your notebooks and get ready to transform those eating habits because we're about to get real mindful, real classy, and real satisfied. Let's get started. All right, my mindful mavens. Tip number one is all about giving your food the attention it deserves. Ditch the distractions. Put down the phone, step away from the TV, and close those laptops. When you're fully engaged with your meal, you actually taste the flavors more intensely. It's like taking your taste buds on a first class trip to Flavor Town. Plus, when you're not distracted, you're more likely to recognize your body's fullness signals. So let's make meal times a sacred space for nourishment and mindful enjoyment. Now, let's talk portion control, but not in a restrictive diet culture kind of way. This tip is about savoring each bite, and it all starts with taking smaller portions. When you take smaller bites, you give your mouth the opportunity to really appreciate all those delicious flavors. You're actually chewing your food properly, which aids in digestion and helps your body absorb all those amazing nutrients. Plus, it slows down the eating process, allowing your brain to catch up and register when you're actually starting to feel full. It's all about finding that sweet spot between indulgence and mindful consumption. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Classy sassy, 20 to 30 times? Are you trying to turn me into a human food processor? Trust me on this one. Chewing is crucial for proper digestion. It breaks down your food into smaller particles, making it easier for your body to absorb all those good nutrients. Plus, when you chew thoroughly, you actually release more flavor from your food. It's like unlocking hidden levels of deliciousness. And here's a little bonus tip: try to chew with both sides of your mouth. So, channel your inner mindful maven and get chewing. Chapter 4. Put down your utensils between bites. We live in a fast-paced world, and it's easy to let that frantic energy spill over into our eating habits. We scarf down our food without even really tasting it. So, here's a simple yet effective trick. Put down your utensils between bites. It creates a natural pause in the eating process, allowing you to fully chew and swallow your food before taking the next bite. It also gives your stomach a chance to catch up and send those fullness signals to your brain. Think of it as a mini break for your digestive system. Chapter 5. Sip water between bites. Staying hydrated is key, not just for our overall health, but also for mindful eating. Think of water as your secret weapon in the battle against mindless munching. Taking sips of water between bites not only keeps you hydrated, but it also helps you slow down and pace yourself. Plus, water can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. So keep that water glass full and sip your way to a more mindful meal. Chapter 6. Engage your senses. We're about to turn mealtime into a full-blown sensory experience. First, take a moment to really look at your food. Appreciate the colors, the textures, the way it's arranged on your plate. Now, for the best part, take a bite and let the flavors explode in your mouth. The more you engage your senses, the more you'll appreciate the food you're eating and the more satisfied you'll feel. Chapter 7. Set a timer. Setting a timer can be a game changer when it comes to mindful eating. Start by timing how long it typically takes you to eat a meal. Then, gradually increase that time by a few minutes each day. When you're not rushing through your meal, you're more likely to chew thoroughly, recognize your fullness cues, and actually taste your food. So, set that timer, relax, and enjoy the journey of your meal. Chapter 8. Take deep breaths before eating. Before you even pick up your fork, let's take a moment to center ourselves and breathe. Deep breathing calms our nervous system, reduces stress, and helps us become more present in the moment. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths in through your nose, filling your belly with air. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. By taking these few moments of deep breathing, you're setting the stage for a more mindful and enjoyable meal. Chapter 9. Listen to hunger and fullness cues. One of the most important aspects of mindful eating is learning to tune in to your body's natural hunger and fullness signals. In today's world of constant distractions and readily available food, it's easy to lose touch with these innate cues. Before you eat, ask yourself, am I truly hungry or am I just craving something? Then, as you eat, pause occasionally and check in with your body. Are you starting to feel full? Have your taste buds had enough? It's about finding that sweet spot of satisfaction. Chapter 10. Practice gratitude for your meal. Gratitude has the ability to transform our perspective and enhance our overall well-being. Before you take your first bite, take a moment to reflect on the journey your food has taken to get to your plate. Think about the farmers, the people who harvested and transported them, the chefs who prepared your meal with care. Expressing gratitude for our food connects us to something larger than ourselves. So let's make gratitude a regular part of our mealtime rituals. Chapter 11. Eat in a calm environment. Our environment plays a huge role in our eating habits. Creating a calm and inviting eating environment is important. Start by decluttering your table and surrounding area. Dim the lights, light a candle, or play some soothing music. The goal is to create a sanctuary for mindful eating, a place where you can relax, recharge, and truly savor your meal. Chapter 12. Eat with intention. Mindful eating is about cultivating a deeper awareness of our relationship with food. Before you even sit down to eat, take a moment to set an intention for your meal. What is your why for eating? Are you nourishing your body with healthy, life-giving foods? Are you savoring a special occasion with loved ones? Whatever your intention may be, speak it to yourself, either silently or out loud. By setting an intention, you're bringing a sense of purpose and mindfulness to your meal. Outro. Until next time, stay classy and mindful. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, eating mindfully and chewing slowly can transform your relationship with food. Stay confident, stay classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.